morning, everybody. Tuesday, May the 30th. Happy birthday, Dad. I hope I have made you proud. It is 6 a.m., 6:40 a.m., 6 a.m. when I turned on and looking here at the futures, all right? I'll show you here week to date if I can fit it. Yep, week to date, we had that big spike up right when we opened up on Sunday night. We went completely dead flat until right around the EU Open, around 3:30 in the morning, and we just started climbing back up to match over here the single that's sitting up here at 42.43.25 on the futures. Now I'm going to drag a couple of things over to make it easier for me. These are your index futures, 1 hour time frames. The NASDAQ already on the RSI on the 1 hour is at 95.50. Upper Keltner yet again. However, having had the holiday, obviously we got to give a little respect to it, but we absolutely blew this Upper Keltner away over there on Friday. Here's the ES. We are barely coming up to the Upper Keltner, but again, very, very overbought on the 1 hour as we are up there in the 90s. The Dow, greater than 300 points, or roughly 300 points away from going green on the year. The Russell 2000, roughly about 6 points away from going green on the year. Everything is all jam packed into those 7 NASDAQ stocks. And that's the same thing that we've got going on at the moment right now as we get ready to open up. But I will again bring your attention to where we ended from Friday on the indexes. On the indexes, on the 1 hour, SPX reached up into overbought and trailed away sideways. NASDAQ 1 hour, absolutely fucking euphoric, as if it was free fentanyl in the streets of fucking Philadelphia. Absolutely euphoric over there on the NASDAQ. And again, one last one to bring your attention to, coming over onto my left major screen and bring it in here, bring it in. And here is your NASDAQ 4 hour. We got oversold on Tuesday. Remember, screaming oversold. Here we are now, closing the week at 90 last week. And with the gap up that we've got right now, we are going to be opening up into the minimum middle 90s. Here's the SPX right here, right around 82. Never got overbought, but right on up there. So again, you have a lot to be extremely warned about when it comes to the upside potential that we've got going on right now. And I'll bring you one last one as a drag over. Here we go. These are my, NVIDIA. Willing to do a deal with Intel, closed at 389, up here at 404. Smoke crack. AMD closed at 127, up at 132. Again, because of this Jensen Huang. Shopify, nothing. Meta, again. More Meta. Microsoft, more Microsoft. 333, we're up here at 337. So, in fact, I'll go back over here to Shopify and just type in Apple to put it up on the screen, even though I don't like it up there. 175, we're up here at 177. So, again, all inside of these 7 names that are getting all of this attention and are continuing to be all of where all the power is. And what you've got going on here as we go into this, we're crunching numbers here. 2 green closes, 1, 2. 2 green closes on Thursday and Friday. 2 green closes. You have not had a streak of 3 green closes since that bump at the end of March, where we bumped, bang, gap up, bang, gap up, bang, gap up. Haven't had that since the end of March, where we've had greater than 2 green closes back to back. We've had 3 once in a while. We've had a few other things over there, where we go back further. But again, looking back at what you had for your other data, 1% today is 42.4750 on the SPX. 1%. You have one close in the 4200s. No rhetoric at all over the weekend. Nothing anywhere about anything happening or going on with this debt ceiling. There's a couple of comments from some Republicans, but other than that, it's been very, very quiet. Not seen, okay, not seen 3 back to back to back green 1% days on the SPX since we went over there and posted that 41.95 on the FOMC meeting the day after from February 1st, which again was our full moon, 3 green closes. So I am, like I shared there in the spread room, today you want to have some safe risk. Your safe risk is at 42.30, 42.25. As of right now, you're getting 275. You want to go with the data. You want to go with the data that's out there and the data that's proven itself, which is 2 green back-to-back closes risk. 42.05.45 is your close from Friday. You're getting nearly $4 on this spread as of right now. So we are sitting here with some very overbought futures. Come over and bring you into the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ itself absolutely taken out all of that, what's going on. And then you've got everybody else, which you know about, which are flat. And then you have your VIX. Your VIX with the gap from the weekend that is going to be there and going to be pending. And as you can see here, as we are as high as we are now, we are well off of our lows where everything was euphoric, bullish as we went into the beginning of May. So, caution if you are going to be playing both sides. Caution if you are playing that upside movement. Caution if you are playing that downside movement. Where we are, being Taco Tuesday, awaiting for some nuclear talks about what's going on with this fake debt ceiling, be very damn careful. The market is going to be open on Wednesday. First day of the week. Take it light. See you guys in the chat.